Assigning the permission, modifying the file or directory of the permissions using chmod command we will see in this session. In secure way, co-employee doesn't see your personal data. In such situations, Linux system and like distributions are have an excellent secure mechanism to achieve changing the file permissions. We can use the chmod command, which stands for change mode. Using this command too, we can set the permissions of read, write, execute on a file or directory with the owner, group, or others like anonymous users. We can set the permissions. The syntax of this: chmod space permissions space file name. What is the file name? We are applying to the permissions. And now here I want to show you a simple this one. The table below numbers of all permission types. See here, number 0, no permission. The symbol, it's a hyphen. 3 hyphens, it indicates that user 3 octets will there. Read, write, execute. If 3 octets of none, it's 0 means no permission of that file particular concerned user. Whether it may be user, group, or others. And 1 indicates that execute permissions are there for that particular file or directory. And 2 indicates write permissions only. 3 indicates execute plus write. Alright, see the pictorial table representation, clear explanation over here. And 4 indicates read permission only. These are the very standard for all Linux and Ubuntu. These are the Linux distributions. And 5 indicates read plus execute. 6 indicates read plus write. 7 indicates read, write, execute. Complete permissions of that file or directory. Now we will see a sample file and will assign a permissions to the. I want to set a file like a sample example. I want to discuss with you that like I want to create for a user read, write, execute, and for group read, write only, and anonymous user can read only my requirement. I want to set that permission is to be 764. 764 I want to apply as a numerical permissions. It's possible to apply using chmod. Now we will see earlier before applying the file how the file, its behavior of the permission is already having an existing, and now after applying the permission how it's moving to changing the permission of that particular file. Now see here, I have an history file over here. Yes, this is the file history. I am applying the permissions to know more details about the permission applications. Now ls space -l history.txt. See, this is the file is having, first hyphen indicates this is the file, and second 3 octets it's having, user is having read, write permissions only, and group is having read only permissions. Anonymous users is also having only read only permissions. In this way I am applying user. I want to be user. See a command I will write here, chmod 764 I am applying to history.txt. Yeah, here we are taken from the table. It's a see 764. 7 indicates read, write, execute. 3 permissions are assigning to the user, and 6 indicates read, write only for the group, and 4 indicates anonymous user can read only. Okay, in my case it will see. You likewise you need to apply and practice in your own terminal, then you will be having a good command of it. Now I am hitting the enter. Yes, Now it is applied. Again ls I am verifying whether it is applied or not. See here, history.txt having an execute permissions means it will shows the green color. See, come here, the same file is the file, and the user level RW earlier, after applying the 7 means all 3 permissions, read, write, execute of the user, read, write, execute. And a group I have applied here, it's a 6 means read, write only. The group is applied for read, write and no execution. Here earlier it is the file is having the group permission is read only. And third one, here the anonymous user read only permissions are already existing, and now I am also applied 4 for read only, and here it's applied for read only. Remains the same. Alright, likewise you assign the permissions, change mode permissions and all. Very simple. Try to practice using this table. Using this table, you will apply simply the file name you specify or path of the file you specify and apply the permissions very easily. See, complete pictorial representation, and also you will have a document of this documentation. You don't worry about it. Yes, these are the permissions. Hope you will practice more and more about the permissions. You will have a great idea about it. The syntax and command is very simple. We have typed here. You will check it. I am verifying. First I am verifying the file permission level, and next I am applying for the permission what is my requirement, and now I am verifying again it's applicable here. If any one of the file or shell script or any configuration file you may creating by creating as a user, and you need to assign and execute permissions, then only it will run. Strongly remember, or else it will says that simply access denied. Okay, if your access denied is occurred, you are not having an access. That's it. Try to verify with the permissions and check and apply the permission, come back and execute it. Hope you better understand. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.